Welcome to our site here in Cynwyd. We're actually on site today where we've got the modular units arriving on site, as you can see. So we've got one house now, you can see behind me, which is obviously not ready, but the two modular units forming that house have been installed today. And in fact the other house is going to be installed in a few minutes' time as well. So we're sort of right in the middle of it at the moment. So the benefits, there's lots of benefits. Firstly, the quality is very, very good. I mean, it's worth having a look inside, and you'll see the very high quality of the finishes inside. That's the first thing. The second thing is that they're very environmentally friendly, they're very energy efficient, partly because they've been made in a factory. So everything fits together very, very well. So you save a lot of energy. You don't lose a lot of heat through gaps in the construction and that kind of thing, and also really importantly, there's far less disruption to the houses around us. You can see that it's actually quite a busy site, or quite a tight location. So having it prefabricated makes it a lot easier to fit on site. We have done work on modular units before. We certainly want to do more in the future. There are two houses here today. We'd like to do more, partly because it's going to become more cost effective when you do more units at a time. So we're certainly looking at other sites and opportunities to use modular units. So this is an important part of our development programme. We need to build 120 units a year for the next few years. So we're busy looking at opportunities and sites at the moment. So that's a busy time for us.